A very good morning, dear learners. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Today in our computer class, we will start chapter number 5, working with paint. Okay, so before this chapter, in chapter number 3, I have explained you about Tux Paint. Okay, so like Tux Paint, MS Paint is also a application software which is used for making drawings. Okay, so Microsoft Soft Paint, it is normally it is called Paint or MS Paint. Okay, and it's a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. So what we can do using paint, we can make pictures, we can draw the things using paint software. Okay, so obviously we are going to enjoy very much in this chapter because we will make many drawings. Okay, so now let's have a look at some features of MS Paint. First is we can use paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. So we can use paint for creating is to create, means we can use paint for मेकिंग पिक्चर्स, हम पिक्चर्स बना सकते हैं. सेकेंड इज़ एडिटिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग पिक्चर्स. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ एडिटिंग हेयर? एडिटिंग मीन्स आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग a drawing you can make changes in that particular drawing. Okay, you can make changes in it. Suppose you have drawn something in the picture and if you want to erase it later after saving the file. Okay, अगर फाइल को सेव करने के बाद भी आप उसको चेंज करना चाहते हैं, you want to remove anything or you want to add something in the drawing, so you can do that. Okay, this is called editing. And printing means you can take the printout of your drawing. आप उसका printout भी निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, second point is with this program we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons and map, etc. So it depends on your creativity that which kind of pictures or images or anything you can draw. Okay, so basically we can draw object like हम pictures बना सकते हैं, we can draw cartoons and we can draw maps. Okay, ये सारी चीज़ें हम MS Paint में बना सकते हैं and it's not limit, ये लिमिट नहीं है that we can draw only these things. There is a number of things which you can draw. Okay, it depends on your creativity. Okay, what you can draw. Okay, third point is we can also use paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Scanned pictures means using a scanner. So you all knows ना कि scanner is an input device which we use for saving images and अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. हम स्कैनर से डॉक्यूमेंट्स और पिक्चर्स को स्कैन करके सिस्टम में सेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यूजिंग पेंट हम उन स्कैन की हुई पिक्चर्स को भी हम देख सकते हैं एंड वी कैन मेक चेंजेस इन दैट. हम उनमें भी एडिटिंग कर सकते हैं. एडिटिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ना. एडिटमेंट इज़ टू मेक चेंजेस इन दैट, मतलब एडिंग समथिंग और रिमूविंग समथिंग इज़ कॉल्ड एडिटिंग. ओके, so features are done here. Now next point is how to open paint. So if we are as we are going to work on paint, so first of all you need to understand that how to open paint software. Okay, so how we can open it? See, it depends on the operating system which you are using either in your laptops or on your computers. आपके सिस्टम में जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल रहता है, जो ऑप्शंस डिपेंड ऑन दैट. ओके, लाइक इन योर बुक वॉट एवर steps are given, I have explained you in the live class also कि if this kind of options are not available in your computer, so you can just type paint in the search box and you can ओपन पेंट. ओके, बट जो एक रेगुलर एक रूटीन एक ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है पेंट ओपन करने का, सो दैट इज़ फर्स्ट यू विल क्लिक ऑन द स्टार्ट बटन and then you will choose all programs option. As you will click on all programs, the list of programs will be visible here. Okay, so from this list you can choose accessories and then you will choose the paint option. So basically the paint option is present in accessories. ठीक है। अगर ये ऑप्शन आपको अपने सिस्टम में नहीं मिलता है तो इन दिस सर्च बॉक्स यू विल टाइप पेंट ओनली, आप सिर्फ पेंट टाइप करेंगे एंड यू विल प्रेस एंटर। आप जैसे ही एंटर टाइप करेंगे तो पेंट का जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो सर्च होकर डिस्प्ले होगा एंड देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यू कैन ओपन इट। ओके, जैसे ही आप पेंट पे क्लिक करेंगे सो दिस काइंड ऑफ विंडो विल अपीयर। आई हैव शोन इन द लाइव क्लास, राइट, मैं आपको दिखा चुकी हूँ। ओके, सो this is the paint window, this is MS Paint window on which we will work. Okay, so this is how we can open MS Paint. Next step is to using tools. Okay, so I have given you a demo of using tools in Paint. Okay, because in this window you will find many tools, many kind of shapes you will find here. Any you can choose and you can, as you will click on the shape option, so different kinds of shape will be there like oval, rectangle, square, lines, many shapes will be there. So any you can choose and you can draw on the window. Okay, so remaining part we will discuss in the next class. That's all for today. Read the chapter and revise it. Okay, so take care of yourselves. Bye bye.